What's up? Today we're gonna be opening some fan mail. Wow, amazing. I haven't gotten it yet, but let's just cut to when I get it. So apparently it's back in my mailbox and not in the post office. Yes. So I'm gonna be heading back. Oh shit, there it is. Also this. Okay, so let's do the actual unboxing. I was gonna do a funny thing where is it? Wait. I was gonna do a funny thing where I took the thing out of the package, and then I'd be like, let's open it, and then I took the thing and stabbed it, but I'm too lazy to do that. I don't know if you can see that. It says Ribbit. I think it's really cool. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you. So here's the actual thing. Oh, sick. It's earrings. That's pretty sick. It's from Akira. And then here's the other thing. It's a little bigger. Ooh, it's a shirt. Wow. What else is in here? Ooh, a thingy. It says, happy birthday. Oh, thanks. Oh shit, this is really cool. It's also Akira. Wow, very cool. What size is it? It's large? Okay, cool. I guess I'm gonna put these on right now. So, here's the shirt. I think it fits pretty well. Let me, what a great angle. Here's the earrings. I think they look really cool. Yeah. I feel like... Wait, be right back. So yeah, I think that this would match really nice with these earrings. I don't know if you can see it. Fucking hair. You can kind of see it. There we go. Yeah, they're the pill earrings, and they match with his jacket. Yeah. I'm so boring. If you would like to send me more things for my birthday, let me know.